Hi guys, welcome back to my 4C experience. As you can see, my hair is blow dried. I haven't blow dried my hair since February 2020, just before I went to the salon. And you know, some stylists are very picky. They'll want you to blow dry your hair properly, make sure your hair is fully dry and not like starting to shrink. So I want to make sure I'm showing you how to dry it properly and make sure that it's completely dry and completely stretched out when you blow dry it. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's just get right into it. There's no need for me to keep talking. So step one, that is two. Step one, you want to make sure your hair is in 4 sections. As always, we always like to work in 4 sections because it's easier to manage. Step 2 is using a heat protectant. So today I'm going to be using the Taraji P. Henson Hot Commodity Heat Protectant. You must use a heat protectant, especially if you're using your blow dryer on the high heat setting, which I know you shouldn't, but just in case you do. You should always use a heat protectant. There are some really good heat protectants out there. Personally, I like the Sheer Moisture Argan Oil Blowout Cream. That's like one of my favorites, but right now it's finished and I need to buy another one. Design Essentials also have a really good heat protectant. And then some natural hair oils that you might want to use as well include coconut oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil. Those are also really good heat protectants. So you can use those oils, but I would say if you are going to use an oil as a heat protectant, be very careful not to use too much heat. You don't want your hair to reach the burning point. So before I start applying the heat protectant, I'm just removing any excess water as I've just finished washing and conditioning my hair, and I would like to make sure that it's not dripping wet. Step 3, I use the Revlon blow dryer. It's like a paddle brush. I love this blow dryer. So I start my process by taking an even smaller, manageable section in the first quarter. One of my tips is to blow dry your hair in smaller sections to avoid missing areas of your head. There are also so many different methods of blow drying your hair. I began using the Revlon dryer because it made it easier to comb through my hair without making my arms tired. And as you can see, I blow dry my hair from the ends to the roots. I do this to avoid snagging and breakage. Another tip I have for you is, regardless of the method you use to blow dry your hair, make sure your hair is detangled before blow drying to make the process easier. And if you're hip, you would have done this already either before shampooing or whilst you were conditioning. As I've said, I've just washed my hair. It's not really recommended to blow dry on completely dry hair nor soaking wet hair. So make sure to remove excess water with a t-shirt or a microfiber towel, or spray it with water to make sure that your hair is damp. Okay, so it's all blow dried, and I like to usually go in and do one for luck, just because, you know, why not? This last one for luck is on the cool setting. If you're not in a rush or genuinely have patience, using the cool setting can reduce the chance of heat damage. And my last tip is, if your scalp feels damp, your hair is most likely not dry at the roots. I'm going to use the TPH Smooth Attitude Moisture Milk as the cream for my LCO method. If you're unsure what that is, go ahead and check out my video on the importance of the lock or LCO method. Then I'll go in with my glow up hair oil as my sealing step. I do this after blow drying my hair because I'm paranoid my hair will fry, and I don't want that. Yes, my hair is blow dried, it is hydrated, it is moisturized, and it is oiled up, and it is flourishing, may I add. I definitely realize I need to go to the salon and I need to get a trim, like a professional trim, which I haven't done in a very long time. In fact, I don't think I've gone to a UK salon since my relaxed days to like do natural hair treatments. I've gone for styling, but not for actual natural hair treatments, because I always tend to do that by myself. But anyway, I'm rambling. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you do subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below
How do you blow dry your hair? Do you use similar methods? Do you do it in sections? Do you use heat protectant? What heat protectant do you use? Because you need to use heat protectant the same way that we need sunscreen, you need to use heat protectant, okay? Okay. I will make sure all the links for everything I've used is in the description box. So the hairdryer, where I got it from, the hair products. I know Taraji P. Henson mentioned that she's looking to do international shipping soon. Obviously with COVID and everything, it delayed plans, but hopefully you can get it soon. So I'll put that link there just in case. Thanks for watching. I will catch you on another Sunday. Take care. God bless.